Philippine Coast Guard matagumpay ang isinagawang rotation and resupply mission sa Ayungin Shoal sa kabila to ng presensya ng Chinese Maritime Militia. Oo, may nakasunod daw na kalabang mga Chinese. Ayon kasi sa Chinese Foreign Ministry, inakyat daw ng mga Chekwa tong barko ng PCG. Ito daw ang picture at katibayang binord tayo ng China. Binigyan daw tayo ng permisong makadaan. Ang tanong, papaano kaya maaakyat ang BRP Lapu-Lapu ng mga Chinese? Full armored vessel kaya yan? Saradong-sarado at purong bakal. Sa pictures na yan parang babanggain pa tayo ng China. Hindi yan katulad ng Onaiza May 1 at 2 na gawa sa kahoy. Maaalalang isang beses ngang winater cannon tong barkong to pero hindi umubra, kaya mariin niyang pinabulaanan ng National Maritime Council ang panibagong propaganda at kasinungalingan ng China. 100% fake daw yan.
After a resupply mission, China puts out a statement saying that it quote-unquote granted permission to to Philippine vessels and Philippine authorities to conduct the resupply mission.
That's why we're also surprised, that they consistently issue statements which are vaguely worded, but created and drafted to create the impression that they actually supervise the entire thing. But it creates the impression that they boarded the vessels. It creates the impression that without their permission, we would not be able to conduct the resupply missions. But that is the farthest from the truth. Now, your question as to what are we going to do in the future to stop China from making those statements, there's none. Because talk is cheap. And we live in a world of disinformation and fake news, where there are some national interests that are at play here. So the Philippine government simply stands on the truth and simply stands on what actually happens at sea. That we do not seek permission. We undertake these resupply missions at our own. We do not allow them to board us.
Pero ang media parang hindi naniniwala. May point naman din. Dati kasi diba kasama ang mga reporters sa barko ng PCG. Ngayon as in wala na. Kaya tinanong si General Malaya, pwede ba kaming sumama sa susunod na resupply mission para malaman kung sinong nagsasabi ng totoo sa fake news? Pilipinas ba o China? Department of Foreign Affairs daw o DFA ang makakasagot sa tanong na yan.
If media embeds are being considered for future RORE so that there is an independent and impartial witness to what's really happening on the ground, because it's been a while since we've been able to join RORE missions, and I think it would be in the best interest also of the Philippine government that we see what's really happening on the ground and not just a battle of narratives between two countries.
And the Philippine government is not engaged in disinformation. We are speaking the truth, and we are standing our ground, because it would be very inconsistent for the Philippine government to seek permission from another country. If we do that, then we are violating the Constitution and many laws. So if media would want some sort of verification, there are other technologies that can be used to confirm what is happening on the ground.
Kayo, naniniwala ba kayo sa Philippine Coast Guard na hindi nila hinahayaang akyatin ang barko natin? Ano sa palagay nyo? Komento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.